Where?
This is Kiwi Monkey, and that is intermediate. It is, yes.
Kiwi Monkey.
Kiwi Monkey. And apparently Kiwi, just because it's got a little green top. So, I don't know.
Big ball?
Yeah.
Not good if it.
Oh,
What's that?
that's posh.
Where has it got to?
I do not know. It says babies would choose anchor. Baby pure cotton.
Let's see and make the store.
That's white.
That's
brown.
That's the main monkey.
Yeah. That's white. It's off-white. It's not white, it's off-white. And that's a beigey colour.
Lovely.
Green.
Green. Kiwi.
Cotton. Yes, it is.
That's it.
Lovely.
Instructions.
Yeah. No, instructions are right at the bottom here. This is no diagrams on this one, I don't think. These are all just written instructions. So, yes. Looks quite simple. She says it can't even do anything more than just a chain. Yeah, lovely. So that will give...
Do you want to give me a run through?
Yes. So, okay. So for the monk, you need you'll love this.
Like
It says
0.5.
2 millimetre. Oh, well, that's not happening.
No. Oh God! How tiny is the thread? Oh my! That is not even possible. See, it's like a cotton thread. I've got my over that, don't I?
Well, leave that one for later when you've done a few. Never say never.
Yeah.
You just need to work up to it. The doll was made in pieces sewn together at the end. Embroidery was added to make the eyes, nostrils, and decorative details.
Right.
So it says head, 60 seal magic ring, and then continue by working in spiral rounds. Then round to ink and 6 stitches. Glue into 12. Round 3. Ink 1 DC, repeat 6 times. So it's round and round. Yeah.
Fair enough.
Lovely.
Straightforward.
Yep. So it's just really the
only reason it seems like it's a more difficult is because it's smaller.
Yeah.
Thinner. Smaller.
Oh, that's not difficult.
It seems like it's the same technique. Same stitches.
Yeah.
So the only reason for the difficulty level is the fact that it's finer.
Yeah.
So
You've got this, you can do it.